gonna mix the 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of a dark soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. This is really good. You have to try this. And we're gonna add the honey. It makes your chickens very yummy. That's 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Gonna mix it together. And of course the black pepper. And we're gonna add a garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then I have 4 chicken thighs. So we're gonna add the marinated sauce that we make. And we're gonna marinate this for just like a half hour or 1 hour. That's good already. And this is really good. A simple ingredients can make your tummy very happy. Yeah, and we're gonna mix that. See to it that all the chicken it have the sauce. Marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then after 30 minutes and half hour or 30 minutes or 1 hour, we're gonna fry our chicken. Just fry this in medium heat only. Be careful because it's sizzling. So fry this until golden brown, or it's gonna be you can say that your chicken is already cooked. And I have 1.5 cucumber, so I like to fry this one also with the marinated sauce. So this is it. So I already flipped that one. It's really cooked. I cooked that for 3 minutes side by side. So look at that. It really looks delicious. Very yummy. It's very easy ingredients can make your tummy very happy. So after that, I'm just going to fry the cucumber. And I fry the cucumber with the marinated sauce. The leftover from the chicken. So I'm gonna just fry that for 3 minutes or 2 minutes. I will just cover up. Then after 3 minutes, this is it. It's all done. Your lunch or your dinner is all done. And make your tummy happy. See? So it's very yummy. This is my favorite. Honey can make this chicken very good. And I know you will love this, guys. My husband loved this very much. That's why he always requested this. And now we're gonna try. See, it looks juicy. It's like a little crispy outside, but it's juicy inside. It's really good. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you will enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.